Buongiorno, Vario stick here. Lovely day. Shame really, because this is still on lockdown. But welcome to the next Abruzzo night nature watch. Inevitably, we open up with a wild boar this time of year. I think I said in the last video they're rooting about very close to properties underneath the oak trees, looking for the acorns. I'll say again, if you get the opportunity, stick your headphones on, listen to them chomping away. It's quite amusing, really. Great close-up shot here. Wouldn't want to meet it this close in the dark, that's for sure. Just watch how hard those snouts are working in the ground. They can turn over some big stones and rocks, and the ground afterwards looks like it's been ploughed. Let's have a look at the badger here without a tail. I'll replay this little sequence so you can have a look. Look at the big male boar here with the ruff or the Mohican down his back. He's always been spooked by something. Hope you enjoyed that latest nature watch. Surprising what's around after you go to bed at night. Some great shots, particularly that fox looking straight into the camera, and also that badger without a tail. I've been doing a little bit of research, and they can go up to 7, maybe as far as 10 kilometres away from their sets looking for food at night. So I'll try and track down where these badger sets are, but I'll be very, very surprised if I find them. All of the shots so far on the 2 nighttime nature watches have been actually on our property or very near to our property. What I'm going to do is going to go a little bit further up into the mountains behind us, seeing what's around. Maybe find some deer, perhaps, or even the badger sets, who knows. So I hope you enjoyed that latest Nature Watch. Stay tuned. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it keeps me informed knowing that what I'm doing is what people want to watch. So, and don't forget our Facebook page at Vario. I'll be doing a coronavirus, what it's like living under the lockdown again fairly shortly. So in the meantime, stay safe and stay healthy. This is Vario saying ciao ciao for now.